Every parent wants their child to look their best on picture day, right?
Yeah.
Okay? But would you Photoshop your child's school portrait? Oh. Okay, now parents can opt for basic retouching for extra $8 or premium retouching for $12. Okay, that extra $4. Okay, the extra $4 whitens teeth, evens skin tones, and removes blemishes and scars. Okay, True Team, okay or no way?
Okay, full disclosure, when I was in junior high, I actually got into a very bad bike accident the day before I started a new school. Imagine how brutal. I went to school looking just like a horror film. I had just scars and blood and all the way down. It went on for 3 months, and of course, school pictures happened in the beginning of the semester.
Did you Photoshop?
They actually have retouching, but back in my day, it was physical retouching. Like, it would look all pink afterwards. Like, it doesn't look like your skin tone.
Right.
But honestly, my parents said, yeah, you kind of need it because you look like you belong in a horror film. And they paid the extra however many dollars for them to actually go in and physically at least make it look a little better.
I have 3 kids, and my daughter, when she was in junior high, she would break out a lot. I asked her, do you want them to clean up, your blemishes? She said, Mom, yes, please clean up those blemishes. But she had that choice for herself.
I just think, we are just so vain.
Yeah.
I mean, you kind of like looking back and say, remember when my tooth was missing and, and ooh, I remember that little scar I fell that day and off the bike, and I mean, memories. It's like everything just isn't, I mean, you got to grow up into being fabulous. Well, I think personally, you got to watch out on that. With over-perfecting that.
That's the issue, Vivica, body image issues. Are you creating issues with a 6th grader or a 7th grader where they hate their bodies and they think the only way they can present themselves to the world is if they have this Photoshop perfect image?
Yeah,
I mean, you get into liking your skin.
Yeah, I just think it's sending the wrong message. I really do.
That's changing who you are as an individual.
No, I think that's the issue.
So joining us is a mother who says a photographer at her son's school retouched the photo without even being asked.
Oh, no.
Oh, no. Samantha, how did this happen?
True. So my son is in preschool. He just started, and we just got back his first school photos, and I thought they looked adorable. My husband and I love it, but his cochlear implants are missing. My son is deaf and uses cochlear implants to hear. And, I double-checked with the teacher. He was wearing them. So clearly, they were edited out by the photo studio. And my husband said, well, it's not really that big of a deal because he turned out really cute in the photos. And I said, you know what? I'm kind of sad, and I think that's not really right.
Well, how dare that photographer to preempt your parental rights?
Yes.
Let's show your son as the beautiful kid that he is with his implant.
Yeah.
That's inspiring.
Yeah.
So true. I don't want him to feel like he should be embarrassed of wearing his cochlear implants.
Yeah, exactly.
And he shouldn't even think about them, honestly.
Right.
So the fact that they edited it out, I was like, am I overreacting?
No.
No.
It was not okay.
No.
First of all, that should have definitely been a conversation with you.
Yeah.
That is your choice.
Yes, and let that be your choice.
And do you think I should ask for the originals? Because
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely. Ask for the original.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, Samantha.